What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're working on a Nissan with a 3.5 liter engine. And what we're going to be doing is going to be replacing the gasket from the oil filter housing. Now this is a very common issue in basically every single Nissan, whether it's a Murano, Altima, Maxima, Nissan Titan, Nissan Frontier. Basically this O-ring or gasket that goes behind the oil filter housing is always leaks. So it's pretty much wherever you can find your oil filter that you're gonna have that gasket back here. So for example, on this Murano, we took off the fender cover right here on the side. Now we're cleaning up our area so we can work behind the oil filter housing. Once everything's cleaned up, we'll remove the oil filter. It can never be too clean, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some more brake cleaner after we take this off right here. Once that's cleaned up, I believe it's either 22 or 24 inch socket. We're gonna take off, and it's basically where you screw on the filter. It's like a big old screw, and you see it has threads on both sides. We cleaned it up, and now you just you can move it this right here. Now I chose not to mess with the cooling system. You see these two rubber hoses, they're the cooling system that cools the oil. I chose just to leave them there since I've done this so many times. So if you just feel around back there, you'll feel the gasket. I used a pick to pull it out, and here it goes. It fell down, and then here you can see it, the O-ring that goes back there. Now like I said, you can feel it with your hand. If you put your fingers back there, you can see the grooves where the oil filter or the oil gasket sits. So here, let me put the camera back there. You can see in that little groove right there, we got it all cleaned up, and that is where the gasket's gonna sit right there. So here, let me clean it up one more time. We're gonna put the new the filter housing gasket. Now like I said, it's a very combination. This gasket's probably like $5 or something. So just by touch, because I've done this so many times. But there it is, the gasket is on the back. Now that it's on, we're gonna put it back where it goes, and I'm gonna screw this big old screw back on. Like I said, I think it's a 22. We use a 22 and a half-inch ratchet to put it back on. We tighten it up, and then we're gonna connect back our oil pressure switch. I disconnected it just so I can have more room there, and then we're just gonna put our new filter back on. And now all we do is we'll put our fender liner back on and our tire back on. But that is how you replace the oil filter housing gasket. And as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.